Alright, hello everyone. I said I'd make a quick video just working out one of the extra credit questions from our quiz. So it looks something like this. It was x plus 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared dx. And the thing to notice about this is that if it were just, turn my pointer on, if it were just kind of x over the square root, then we could use substitution. And if it were just 1 over, then our formula sheet would say that the antiderivative was arcsin. And so on this, we want to use kind of the best of both worlds and split it up. Right, so this is where some insights can be helpful. So if we split this up into two different integrals, then we can use substitution on the first. So I can substitute u equals this, let's say 1 minus x squared. Then du is going to be negative 2x dx. So if I solve for dx, it's going to be du over minus 2x. So I'm going to use that on that first integral. And, sorry, let me put it here. And then this antiderivative, well, this is just going to become, the antiderivative of this is just going to be arcsin of x. Okay. And so if we kind of put everything together, let's rewrite it carefully. So our first integral is going to be the integral of x over the square root of u times du over negative 2x. That's good. Our x is going to cancel with that x in the denominator. Let's rewrite the second integral, but we can already evaluate that. There's going to be arcsin of x. Finally, let's just rewrite it. So we have now the integral of u to the negative 1/2 with a negative 1/2 coefficient. We have du, so everything is now in the u universe. And now finally, we are ready to integrate. So I'm going to make that exponent 1 bigger. So 1 bigger than negative 1/2 is positive 1/2. I'm then going to divide by that new exponent. So I'm going to divide by 1/2. So I'm going to divide by 1/2. But in fact, I do this so often that I know that dividing by a fraction is the same as just multiplying by its reciprocal. So I'm going to carefully rewrite everything. And at the end, I'm going to get negative, I should resubstitute negative 1 minus x squared to the 1/2 plus arcsin of x, and then I'm going to add c. And in fact, I probably should go back and add c at every stage of this process. And I think I've got my answer here. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to just check my answer to make sure that it's right. And I encourage you to watch, or I encourage you to kind of check that yourself. So let's just see what our check would look like. So if I take the derivative, so d dx of kind of the above is going to equal, well, negative 1/2 times 1 minus x squared to the negative 1/2 times negative 2x. I use the chain rule there. The derivative of arcsin is 1 over 1 minus x squared, all square root. And I look at it and I say, oh, well, these minus signs cancel, the 2's cancel. So I get x over, so this negative 1/2, that means I have a square root in the denominator. And then over here, I have this, which if we combine using our common denominator, we get exactly what we started with. So the check is complete. So thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.